Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. I know it's been a while since my last unboxing video. In this video, I will unbox this new iPhone 12. It's not the Pro version, it's not the Pro Max, nor the Mini. It's just a standard iPhone 12. And I pre-ordered this on the 16th of October and it arrived on Monday 26th. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so now let's just take a look at the design of the box. So as you can see, it is quite thin compared to the previous generations. We have the text of iPhone and the logo, and then at the front we got the wallpaper of the iPhone 12, and at the back right here we got some text saying what's included and what's not, and then that's it. So now let's just take a look at what's inside the box. Alright, here comes the most satisfying part. Now it's time to look what's inside the box. Let me unbox this one real quick. Okay, so here you can see this is the black color I ordered. And right here we got two camera, and this is the back with the glossy back, and it's very simple. Let me just pick this up, and right here we got this, I would say it's like a pepper indicating this is the power button, this is the volume, and this is the ring. Okay, so just peel this one off. And here it is, the iPhone 12. And on the side you can see that this is the made of the aluminum. So now let's just take a look what is inside this box. It seems that it only comes with this USB-C to the lightning charging cable. So right here we have the design by Apple in California, and this is the SIM card removal tool. Right here is just some paper about the safety and stuff, and there's this one right here. This is the Apple sticker, and that's it. Super simple. So as you can see, there's no headphone, no charging brick. So there are two main reasons to this one. For the reason why they don't provide the charging brick. So one is to save the environment, and the other one is most people are likely to have the charging brick already. But the thing is that I don't think most of them are using the latest iPhone. People are still using the older versions of the iPhone, so that means they still have to buy it for using with this one, because this one does require with the USB-C. I really like the feel and the look of the iPhone 12. You can see that the design look kind of like the iPad Pro or originally the iPhone 5 or 5S. And the back right here we got the logo. At the front right here we got 6.1 inch for the display, and there's a camera on top here as well. Now let's just turn this device on. So right here, this is the power button. Okay, so now let me just quickly introduce the main feature or the new feature of the iPhone 12 in 30 seconds. It's got a new design, which is the flat edges, 6.1 inches, which is larger than the previous iPhone. It's the first time they support 5G network, OLED display with ceramic seals, upgraded low lens camera, and A14 Bionic Chip, which is the latest chip of the iPhone. Alright, so here it is guys. I have finished setting up the iPhone 12 here, and you can see that this is the application that comes with it by default. So we have this. Let's just check out the version of this phone as well. So to see the version, press on this and the about, and you can see that the version that it comes with is the 14.1, and it also include the warranty here as well. And this is the camera. We get this lava using the app, the video, slow-mo, time-lapse, portrait camera and panel. All iPhone 12 model feature Super Retina XDR OLED display for the very first time. With the 6.1 inch, the iPhone 12 has a resolution of 2532 by 1170 with 460 ppi or pixel per inch. The front of the iPhone is protected by a new ceramic seal cover that replaced the standard cover glass. The ceramic seal is infused with the nano ceramic crystal and offers up to 4 times better drop performance. The back of the iPhone continues to be made of the glass. The iPhone 12 models offer IP68 water and dust resistance and can hold up to submersion in 6 meters of water for up to 30 minutes. It now supports the 5G connectivity for faster downloads and uploads, better quality streaming, improved gaming, and higher definition 180p FaceTime calls. Talking about the 5G coverage, it's available worldwide, but only iPhone 12 devices sold in the United States support the mmWave 5G, which is the fastest 5G technology available. There's a A14 chip inside the iPhone 12 models, and it is the first chip in the smartphone industry built on a 5 nanometer process for better and efficiency improvements. Apple mentions that the 6-core CPU and 4-core GPU in the A14 are 50% faster than the fastest competing smartphone chips. The A14 chip includes a 16-core neural engine that offers an 80% increase in performance for machine learning tasks. Now let's talk about the camera. So both cameras, they are 12 megapixels, and there's a 2.4 aperture ultra wide camera with the 120-degree field of view, and a main camera which is the 1.6 aperture, and it lets in the 27 more light for better performance in low light conditions. And the camera comes with the 2x optical zoom and 5x digital zoom. The A14 chip powers a new computational photography feature with a better ever diffusion for improve the photos with more texture and less noise, and improve night mode, smart HDR3 feature that adjusts the new balance, contrast, saturation or texture in the photo for the natural looking images. The iPhone 12 model can capture 30 frames per second HDR video with Dolby Vision, enabling the cinema-grade video to be captured, edited, and shared right from the iPhone itself. It also supports the 4K video recording and up to 60 frames per second. There's an improved cinematic video stabilization and a night mode time-lapse feature along with the Dolby Vision selfie videos using the TrueDepth camera. It also offers a 12 megapixel selfie camera. The selfie camera now supports smart HDR3, depth vision, night mode, and the night mode portrait shots. So now let's just talk about the display. The typical max brightness is 625 nits, and the HDR max brightness is 1200 nits. The battery life, the iPhone 12 has a 28 and 15 milliampere. The battery life of the iPhone 12 is exactly the same as the battery life of the iPhone 12 Pro, offering up to 17 hours of video playback, up to 11 hours of streaming video playback, and up to 65 hours of audio playback. So I have also ordered the power adapter or the charging brick for this cable as well. It's capable of the fast charging. And that's pretty much it, guys, for this unboxing iPhone 12 video. And if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. And see you guys in the next video.